Hello dear Leo, welcome to my channel and this is your July last week come August first week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. Yes, this is going to be a mixed July 28th to August 3rd. I'm going to put the dates as well. Let's begin with your career first because the cards came out. You have got the two of stars and the three of suns. And before moving forward, let me tell you the two signs that popped out. Libra, Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising. It doesn't have to be, okay? But you're definitely dealing with a Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, or you could have that in your own birth chart. I do see that in business, in career, in job, you're looking for a change or you're thinking of starting something new. You could be doing it with a friend, a female energy. I also see that. It can be with the blessing of a mother, with a sister, with a friend. You are, or a work which is more aligned with the feminine energy in some way, like targeting the female audience as well. I do see a change which is happening. So if you're looking for a change, you want to change something or you want to start something new, this is going to be a very good time for you guys. I do see this new direction, you're going to love it. Like you're very passionate about this new direction, this job, this field that you are choosing right now, and it's going to give you a lot of happiness and success as well. So, yes, if you're stuck somewhere, if you're choosing, if you were confused, this is a sign for you to make that move. I see newness. Okay, so a lot of people like mention or in personal readings ask whether should I stay, should I move. The general reading says that you should move. Okay, otherwise you can always go ahead and first book the personal reading to ask that specific question if you have in your mind. But yes, it is a sign of moving. Maybe you're moving houses, you're moving careers, cities, countries, whatever you are doing. I do see a newness. You're moving into a new direction, which is going to be very good for you. Okay. Let's see what's happening in your love life or personal relationships. You've got the One of Stars and the Lady card. It's a card of success. It's a card of abundance and it's a card of you meeting your goals somewhere. Like probably if you're single, first of all, let's start with that. If there was a target that, okay, I'm going to find a guy or I'm going to get married, you are going to be victorious this week. You're going to find the one, you're going to finalize the relationship, you're going to settle down with somebody. I also see that if you were waiting for a reconciliation to happen or a fight to resolve, you're going to be victorious in that as well. It could be that somebody comes back, it could be that you win the argument in the fight, some way or the other. And if you were dealing with any court case, there is a very high chance that you are the party who wins in the end. With the lady card here, I do see that somebody around you looks at you as a very loving, nurturing, and caring person. It could be that they have a crush on you and they want to come to you and probably, want to start a relationship with you. That's also very possible. If you're already in a relationship or marriage, this is how your partner sees you. They will come back confessing their feelings or just pour a little extra love in you. Love relationships look victorious in some way, right? I also see that if this is not your energy, this can be your partner's energy, which means you are looking at them, you have a crush on them, and you want to start a new beginning with them or fresh start with them, right? So yes, roles can be reversed at any time. Okay, so feel free to do that. But whatever it is a very loving, nurturing, caring energy. Somebody looking at you with respect, or you looking at somebody with respect. And of course, if you want to start something, you will be victorious. So go ahead, make that move, make that proposal, accept that proposal, whatever it is for you, take what resonates and do it. Okay, it is a very good energy for you guys. So overall, if I talk about your week, this week is looking amazing for you guys. And if you guys love this reading, please do like the video, subscribe the channel, and also comment and claim this beautiful energy. By commenting, I claim this energy so that it reaches you faster. And yes, like I mentioned, this was a general reading. If you would like to book your own personal reading, if you have specific questions or you want to book any other reading like exclusive no contact or love reading or packages, if you have more than one question to ask, I do have packages with free remedy as well. It will come with a free blockage removal ritual. I do rituals as well, by the way, if you want to book them separately. Apart from that, I also have spiritual counseling sessions where you want to talk to somebody, share your deep dark secrets, without getting them revealed. You have those half an hour, 1 hour sessions, audio video call sessions available with me. And yes, in your spiritual counseling sessions also, I will be asking the guidance from your angels and giving you a remedy here as well. So all the positivity will come to you. Check out the description box for every service. And yes, if you want to book any, please email me at the given email ID or directly DM me on my Instagram handle, the Moksha Tarot. And yes, if you want to know the prices, it's essential that you also follow me on Instagram. Show some love to that new channel because I keep on posting the prices on my stories as well, so that it's easier for everyone who's watching the stories to see what are the prices and choose. I have very minimal prices for Indians, especially. The international, I'm still working that out, how to start and establish the international payment connection. But yes, if you are an Indian, I have packages under 1,000 rupees available, which comes with a free remedy. I have audio video call sessions available with as well. I have personal readings that any which way is very cheap, so go check out. Also very cheap powerful rituals available, so please do that. Check out the description box or bio, and yes, book whatever your budget suits you. Okay, take care of yourself. I'm going to see you very soon. Bye bye.